So she was a pain in the hole to put together. I had read 90% assembled. When I received it, it was approximately 70% disassembled. And realized after the fact I must have been looking at the double priced bike that I was thinking on. But this thing comes with disc brakes, headlight, adjustable shocks, says Shimano. Oh, right. Question that. Gotta still take that off. It looks a bit. Get that later. But yeah, power it up. And there she be. So I can switch information down on the bottom. Pedal assist. Up to 5. Yeah. We got cruise control, headlights, tail lights. When I brake, she blinks. The seat is actually pretty decent. I'm a bit worried about the seat. Turn that off. Haven't tried changing the gears yet. Thing with this, after I put it all together, no rear hydraulic stuff. After I put her all together, when I was putting it together, there's a piece, this piece right here actually, and a little silver piece underneath it. Maybe just barely see it there. And the two of that came assembled on the underside of the fork, and when you install the fork up into, that piece up there is down there, preventing wear and tear. But I couldn't put the bike together. So I took the piece off the bottom, sent for the other part because there's supposed to be another one like this which didn't come in the box, and it made me wonder, is this piece here supposed to be the piece in the box and was not supposed to be attached to the fork? But when I look at the assembly instruction video, now there's one on the fork down here and there's a separate one that you're supposed to have for up there. So that being the case, I can't use this right now until they send me that part. At which point I got to install it on the underside, and then I can take the bike for a run. Guess I should turn that light off. It's got a horn too, which is fucking hilarious. So yeah, threw on pedal assist 1, and she got up to 11.5 I think it was. And with a little bit of pedaling she was up to 12, no trouble. She just completely took off on me. So pedal assist 1, the lowest setting. I'll be zipping around everywhere. I don't need a 2, 3, or 4. Till of course I get to the steep terrains Newfoundland's known for. Yeah. There she be. Kickstand wouldn't work. Had the kickstand before I installed it. Tried to kick it back, it would not kick back. Me and my buddy were laughing going, this is fucked. So I said, well, I'll put it on just so I can stand the bike up. I went and put it together, have it stood up, and that's what it was. The tension, once I screwed it in, the tension released to allow for the kickstand to work. Because as long as that wasn't put together, she wouldn't move, she wouldn't budge. Now there's no tension there, and now she'll kick back, no trouble.